Competing ballot measures on abortion are now in the hands of Nebraska's Supreme Court.
Yeah, the court will decide if either will actually go before voters. Both constitutional amendments received over 200,000 signatures to qualify for the November ballot.
And today, Nebraska's Supreme Court heard oral arguments on 3 lawsuits. 2 target the abortion rights initiative itself, and the third says both should be on the ballot or neither should qualify.
Newswatch 7 at 9's Andrew Ozaki has more.
Nebraska's High Court is under pressure and on the clock to decide if voters will get to weigh in on either of the competing abortion initiatives in the November election. The Secretary of State has until September 13th to certify the ballot.
So do we have to decide this case by this Friday? To affect the language that goes on the ballot, yes.
The Protect Our Rights petition would establish a constitutional right to abortion until viability or to protect the life and health of the mother. But opponents filed 2 suits claiming the initiative violates the single subject provision and is confusing.
This language goes beyond merely personal rights of a woman.
Anti-abortion attorneys point to the ballot language, which reads all persons rather than pregnant patients, healthcare practitioners as opposed to physicians, and opens the door to late-term abortions.
They established basically a Trojan horse here, and that is vote for viability abortion, and along with that come all the rest of these things.
But a countersuit filed on behalf of Dr. Elizabeth Constance and 30 physicians says this is about protecting women's rights and voters' rights to decide.
I'm incredibly frustrated as a voter. I think this is an intentional attempt to thwart democracy and take the choice out of the voters' hands.
Her attorney says both initiatives should be on the ballot.
Everybody's got to play by the same rules. Both amendment initiatives need to be judged by the same standards.
He argues the Protect Women and Children initiative violates the single subject matter more because it would protect the right of an unborn child from abortion past the 2nd trimester.
Opens up the same sort of Pandora's box of potential impacts across other areas of law. Justices
voiced frustration about the time they have to review the cases.
Luck would have it this season, not all initiatives are being challenged in court. So far.
True.
In Lincoln, Andrew Ozaki, KETV, Newswatch 7.